Hi guys, Happy New Year. Good afternoon. Today is Monday. I just came back from the grocery store right now. I went to buy a couple of things from there. This thing is working now.
I wanted to start a vlog. Guys, how was your 2024? We're not even talking about 2024, we're talking about 2025. Seriously, like, 2024 was such an interesting year for me. But I want to hear as well what it was like for you guys. It was really hard, very, very hard year for me. So many good things, but then also so many challenging stuff in 2024. So I don't even, like, guys, sometimes I think about talking about, like, life and stuff. I don't even know where to begin. I feel like I don't have any words. So, anyway, I don't want this vlog to start on a sad mood. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of, just share videos with you guys in the meantime. And I'm going to show you, I'm just going to put out everything that I bought from the store. I think I want to cook. I don't know. Let me just unpack the stuff that I bought and then see what I get up to.
By the way, if you're wondering, this is the best pad in Lithuania, okay? I know there are so many men that watch my videos, but women have their periods. So if you have a little bit of heavy flow, this pad is really good for you. It doesn't have fragrance. Is non-fragranced pad for women or for your wife. Carrots. One of the first things that I want to do is to prep my juice stuff for every morning, at least for this week. Hi guys, I just came back from the hospital right now. I went to the clinic. Yesterday I was cooking, but I literally stopped cooking midway. I was able to get what I ate yesterday, but I couldn't continue cooking because I had to go to work, and yeah, so I couldn't do anything else. But today I'm back. I didn't even finish cleaning my kitchen, so I'm trying to finish that, and I want to make moi moi. So I will be making lentil moi moi today. But just talking about the hospital, the doctor that attended to me was really, really nice. I didn't go to the hospital that I usually go to. I went to a different, the biggest one in Vilnius. Your local hospitals, if they don't have like the specialist or something that you need to see, they usually recommend you to the big hospital where they have everything, right? The doctor was super nice. I felt absolutely like she was so respectful. We didn't have a long time, but I just felt like she was genuinely interested. I was actually speaking to my friend who is a doctor, like, why do doctors rush you off? At least the hospital, when I go to hospital here in Lithuania, every time you go, it feels like doctors are like, come and be going. Like, we don't want you to be here. So I did speak to my friend who is a doctor, and she told me that basically because of the workload, it's very stressful for doctors, and so they tend to be like in a rush and exhausted. So I know that work is very stressful for doctors, and for those that are trying to be a doctor now, so please come and join the field so that we have more support for our doctors. But yeah, if you're a doctor as well, let me know why. Sometimes you feel like when you go to the hospital, doctors are rushing you. All right, guys. So, like I said, I'm making lentil moi moi, but I wanted to show you guys moi moi lentils. So there are two kinds of lentils. This lentil, this one is like a full lentil. So you see, it's not cut, like it's full grain. And then they have the cut one, the split one. So these ones are like split lentil. And what I do is to mix them. When I'm making akara, like I only use the full one because the full ones are thicker. They are not like very, like they're not split. So they're whole grain and they're thicker than this ones. This one, I like to mix it when I'm making moi moi because you want that airy moi moi. You don't want like thick moi moi, right? So this is my combination. Let's start making moi moi. Actually, I'm just gonna eyeball it. So you basically wash the lentil very clean, like until the water is clear, and then you just soak it. I will soak it while I make fish. Guys, do you do this when you are cooking fish? Because fish takes such a little time to cook. Like you have to boil the water first, like with the spices that you want to add, and then bring it to a boil, and then you add the fish. I want to refill my salt jar, and what I do is to mix regular white salt with the Himalaya salt. Does it make sense to say it's tastier? This one on its own is very salty, like the white one, but the Himalaya salt has a very mild taste that I like. Guys, do you see after cooking the fish, it didn't break apart because you put it in hot water instead of cold. So I think that's the whole concept of cooking the water first before. Yeah, I don't know. Do you do this? Let me know. Anyway, time to make the moi moi. This is what the lentil looks like at the moment after soaking for some time. So I'm just gonna put it in the blender. And one thing with lentil is not like beans, so you don't want to add too much water in the blender when you're doing it. Okay, do you see? I don't know if you saw the little thing that I put in the that I washed. Can you see how much it has like gotten so much bigger? And then guys, I'm gonna add my saucy sauce. Guys, I make this sauce every month and I put it in the freezer. Game changer. Okay, game changer. I use this sauce for everything. In fact, it's my husband that gave it the name saucy sauce. I use it for everything, for pizza, for jollof rice, for stew, for beans, like for everything, for my moi moi. Like guys, let me know if you want the recipe of this sauce. It's just such a game changer, such a time saver. Like the best invention I have to date. Saucy sauce. That's what my husband calls it. Saucy sauce, because it is saucing up everything, brethren, everything. Hi guys, I am back now from my meeting and it's work time, so I have to work. Guys, how do I look? Do you like my hair? Like, I'm asking you, how do I look? Like, you guys are the ones that will tell me how I look. I added spinach to this one, and this one is just fish, so. Happy Sunday! Happy New Year too. Say Happy New Year. Oh my God! So we're in church, and yeah,
Yeah, that's it. You're in church. Triplets, come to church.
come to church. There you go. Come to church.
Johnny church.
Johnny church. To be precise. Okay.
Was warm.
Hi guys, so I am back home now. We went to visit our friend, as you just saw in that clip, and I am at home now and I want to make not even dinner. I didn't have the opportunity to cook this weekend, so I'm trying to make some just like vegetable soup really quickly. I can just something that I can eat during my week so that I don't have to like cook, because this week I'm having a training at work and I truly, you know, when you're having work, like I want to pay attention to that training, and I want, when we have lunch, I have lunch, so that's why I'm cooking now. It's currently like 10:30 p.m. but you know what, that's fine. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll just finish off quickly and then go get some rest. I've just finished cooking and I'll call it a night. I made myself noodles that I'm gonna eat because I just don't want to eat like swallow tonight. So this is vegetable achi combination. Yep. Good night.